sixth chapter, trigonometric ratios up to transformation. This chapter belongs to Mathematics 1A, part 24. Last part completed impounded 2 marks problem. Today class discuss impounded 2 marks problem, periodic function model problems. Already completed exercise 6B periodic problems. Here also we explained some more different models of the periodic functions. What is the question? Find the period of the following functions. F of x is equal to cos power. First of all, in this problem, you can use periodic function definition by the definition of periodic function. What is the definition of periodic function? F of x plus p is equal to f of x. Then p is a period of the function. P is a period of f of x. This one is the definition. You can use this definition. You can easily solve this problem. First of all, you can write f of here pi and 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 comma 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 nothing but 90 degrees. 3 pi by 2 nothing but 370 degrees. These two are odd functions. You have to take odd functions. Compulsory ratio or change. That's why you cannot take pi comma pi by 2. You have to take first pi, after that 2 pi, after that 3 pi. Here first you have to take pi plus x is equal to, in place of x you can write pi plus x. You get what? Cos power 4 of pi plus x. Remember cos of pi plus x whole power 4. Here pi plus x nothing but 180 plus theta. 180 plus theta lies on third quadrant. In this third quadrant, cos is negative. 180 is even function. Cos can be written as cos x whole power 4 minus cos x whole power 4 nothing but cos power 4x. This is the value of f of x. Here f of pi plus x is equal to f of x. Then which is the period here? Here period is pi. Therefore f of x is equal to cos power 4x period is pi. This is the easy way and simplified by the definition of the periodic function. After that we go to second one. In this second problem, f of x is equal to 5 sin x plus 3 cos x whole by 4 into sin 2x plus 5 into cos x. This problem you can use some shortcut method. That is what? First of all, different trigonometric functions. First you can find a period. What is the period of sin x? Period of sin x is 2 pi. Next, period of cos x. Period of cos x also be 2 pi. Next, period of cos x also be 2 pi. Period of sin 2x. Period of sin 2x is 2 pi by a. Nothing but 2. 2 to get cancel pi. Already explained exercise 6b period problems. What is the period of sin ax plus b? 2 pi by mod a. You can use this formula. Here, this total functions periods are completed. Just you can use shortcut LCM of these all periods. LCM of 2 pi and pi. What is the LCM of 2 pi, pi? What is the LCM? You have to take LCM 2 pi, pi. You can write pi. 2 pi. You can write pi here 2, 1. After that we can write 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the period? Pi into 2, that is equal to 2 pi. The period of these all terms is 2 pi. The period of 2 pi pi is 2 pi. This is a way you can do that simply understood. Okay students, this is the way of to solve the fraction form, multiplication form. You can use this form. Okay students, f of x is equal to 2 into sine of 5x by 4 plus 3 into cos of 5x by 3. 5x by 3. First you can find separately the period of sine of pi by 4x is what? P by P is equal to 2 pi by mod A. 2 pi by mod A. A value is pi by 4. You can write pi by get answer 2 into 4. How much? 8. Next period of cos of pi by 3x. What is the period of cos x? 2 pi by mod A. 2 pi by mod A value is pi by 3. Pi by get answer goes to 3 numerator. 3 2s are 6. After that LCM of therefore LCM of 8 comma 6. What is the LCM of 8 comma 6? 8 comma 6 LCM. 2 4s are 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. After that 2 into 4 into 3. This is LCM. 2 4s are 8. 8 3s are 24. The LCM of 8 comma 6 is 24. Therefore period of f of x is equal to 2 sine of 5x by 4 plus 3 cos of 5x by 3 is 24. This is the important repeated problem in 2 marks question IB examination. The problem is if sine alpha equal to 3 by 5 where pi by 2 less than alpha less than pi, evaluate cos 3 alpha. That means find the value of cos 3 alpha. First of all, sin alpha is given. Sin alpha value is 3 by 5. Here alpha lies between pi by 2 to pi. Pi by 2 to pi, which quadrant? Second quadrant. Alpha lies on second quadrant. What is the formula of cos 3 alpha? Cos 3 alpha formula is 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 of cos alpha. This one is the formula. In this formula, you can write cos alpha value. Here you can find cos alpha by using sin alpha. By using sin alpha is equal to what here? 3 by 5. Write down Pythagoras theorem. Suppose this is alpha, opposite this one is hypotenuse 5. 5 square value 25. 25 minus 9 16. 16 square root 4. This is the adjacent. What is the cos alpha? Alpha lies on which quadrant? Second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is a negative. Formula is adjacent to hypotenuse. Cos alpha equal to minus. Adjacent value is what here? Adjacent is 4 by hypotenuse is 5. Cos alpha equal to minus 4 by 5. This value substituted in equation 1. 1 implies cos 3 alpha equal to 4 into minus 4 by 5 whole cube. Cos cube nothing but minus 4 by 5 whole cube. Minus 3 into cos alpha nothing but minus 4 by 5. That equal to 4 into minus 4 cube. 4 cube nothing 4 4 is 16. 16 4 is 64. Minus 64 by 5 cube nothing but 5 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. Minus into minus plus 3 4 is 12 by 5. 12 by 5. After that 60 into 64 into 4. 64 into 4 how much? 4 4 is 16. 4 6 is 24. 24 plus 1 25. Nothing but cos 3 alpha equal to minus 256 by 125 plus 12 by 5 plus 12 by 5. We have to take 125 is LCM. In this 125, take LCM 125. Here minus 256. Here 525 is 125. 5 into 25 125. Nothing but here 25 multiplied with 12. 12 5 is 60. 12 2 is 24. 24 plus 6 30. 300. 300 minus 256. How much? 300 minus 256 value is 44. 44 by 125. This is the value of cos 3 alpha. Next problem, very important and repeated problem in IB examination. What is the problem? If 0 less than p less than pi by h, here theta lies between 0 to pi by h. Show that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos theta by 2. First we have to take LHS part. In that LHS part, what is that LHS part? Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 4 theta. In this two term, which one is common? 2 is common. We can common 2 here. 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 common. 1 plus cos 4 theta. You know that 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. 1 plus cos 4 theta. What is the half of angle of 4 theta? 2 theta. That's why you can write square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta. We know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta using this formula. In this formula here 2 theta is a 2 theta of theta. Here 4 theta is a 4 theta of 2 theta. After that square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus square root of 2 2 is 4. Nothing but we can write 2 cos 2 theta whole square. Correct or not, students? 2 square value 4. Cos square is the square root get cancelled. Remain what? Square root of 2 plus square root of 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta. In this two term, once again which one is common? In this two term, you can common once again 2. 2 can be common. You get 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is the value of 1 plus cos 2 theta? You know that 1 plus cos 2 theta value square root of 2 plus square root of 2 into 1 plus cos 2 theta value is 2 cos square theta. 2 cos square theta. Next square root of 2 plus square root of 2 to the 4. 4 can be as 2 square. That is what 2 cos theta whole square. Square root get cancelled. 2 square value 4 cos square theta. Cos square theta is there. Once again you can write square root of 2 plus 2 cos theta. In this two term you can common 2. 1 plus cos theta. In this two term 2 common 1 plus cos theta. What is the value of 1 plus cos theta? 1 plus cos 2 theta 2 cos theta of is there. 1 plus cos theta 2 cos theta by 2. That's why you can write 2 into 2 cos square theta by 2. 2 cos square theta by 2. This can be written as square root of 2 cos theta by 2 whole square. 2 2 is 4. 2 square value 4 cos square. Square root get cancelled. You get 2 cos theta by 2. This is the RHS part. Correct or not? Check, students. What is the RHS part here? RHS part is 2 cos theta by 2. This is a very important useful formula in IB examination.